All right. Welcome, guys. Shudra Olafemadiba here, and I'm your graphic design coach for today. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to consider and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the reason for this is I'm telling you, it's gonna be stunning. The design, the amazing craft work that I've planned to drop this season on my YouTube channel. I'm focusing much on that this season. Then you can't wait to see the next um, practical class and the capacity of what Pixellab can actually achieve. Yes, in few minutes. Yes, that's the best thing. And if you are watching this as my student, ensure that you submit your assignment at the appropriate place at the right time for proper corrections. And then with that being said, let's get right into the business. Today we want to talk about Coke. I want to design, not talk rather, about Coke. And then I just sat down and just decided to just create something beautiful. I saw it somewhere, and then I felt like, okay, let's have it, and then we're able to achieve this. So let's get right into why we are here. Alright, the first thing is to create a new background. And how to create a new background? Come to this. You can see that thing that is turning to blue down there. Yes, that's it. And then just scroll to the last aspect. Click on this. Yes, click on the white one. This one I'm clicking on the white one so that it can give you this shape. And the size for this, come to this two shape here, and then click on image size. So the normal image size is 1280 by 1280, and that's on feet 1 by 1 feet. All right, so that being cleared, click on OK. The next thing you want to do is to change the background to something Coca-Cola in nature. So come to color, gradient, again color here. That's the first thing. Look down there, color here, gradient, click on gradient, and then your color. So these are gradient color I have here for different purposes, but this is the color, the gradient color. So how do I arrive at this? So after I click on gradient, let's say this is what I have, or this is what I have. Okay, I will click on this plus button here. Click on that plus button. Yes, and then change this. Okay, move this. Yes, click on this color button here. You can see plus, minus, that, and the last one. You click on it, and then just adjust it to the edge like that. Red. Make this one deep. Yes. This, do the same to this too. Make this deep too. And then yes. And then click on the plus button. It will automatically duplicate it. So, and then just have this light. You can see now. Just adjust it. Move the arrow. This arrow, let me draw it. This arrow, yes, this arrow, just draw it here and here, and then we are good to go. And this is how we arrive at the first glimpse. So that being cleared out, the next thing you want to do is to bring in our text. Just a simple text that you use. Cook, I think I use small letter, not capital letter. Cook. Yep. So Coke will be in white color, and then let's change the font. I think the font I use for that, all right, the font you are going to use for that now is what's it called now? What's the name? Abington. Yes, Abington boot font. That's the font, and you can get it from that font or any other. Just type it, Abington, and then it will bring it. Click on OK. Just increase it a little bit. Let's change the size. I hope you know how to bring in text, so there's no need of wasting time on that. All right, so this is not okay. All right, let's have it this way. Okay, let's have it this way. Yeah, duplicate it. Just ensure that this line, the line, you can see where I circled. Let me do it again. Let me use yellow color so that you can see. That where I circled, your K and your K is meeting each other. They must align. That's what makes it much more unique. So duplicate it again. and then bring it down. It must be 3. Ensure that they are straight too, and ensure that they are not actually touching one another. Don't make them touch one another. Let them stand alone. Okay, and then so just click on this thing up here. This, yes, click on it, and then it will give you this. Click on this thing down here. You can see it, and then select the 3. Click on this thing down here. Yes, this, and then click on this. Yes, adjust button. So to adjust the 3 for us, that's what we actually wanted. So it adjusts the 3 for us this way, and then after this has been adjusted, just click on OK, then continue. So the next thing we want to do is to bring in our shape. No, not our shape now, our Coca-Cola. Our Coca-Cola. So how do we get our Coca-Cola? Let's click on browse, and then okay, Coca-Cola cannot be here, I think. Alright, Coca-Cola is not here. Coca-Cola will be here. Yeah, and this is what I use, Coca-Cola. So click on OK. So scroll here. In case you don't know how I import the picture, come to this thing down here. This thing I just circle, yes, and then click on import. There will be import there. Yes, import this image, this import, and then you can import. So let's say we have import here. Come to erase color. This is erase color down here, and then when you have clicked on it, select it. You can see it gives us something like this. Okay, I think it removed some certain things there that I don't want. So just give me 1 minute. Let me use another thing to remove the background of it, and then we continue. Okay, so the background is removed. Just change it. If you wonder how I remove the background, auto remove background online, or just download any removable background application on your Play Store or any store you are using, and then you are good to go. So I put in shadow. Yes, increase the shadow a little bit. Let the shadow color be not fully black. Let's see, red. Yes, like that. Bring it, adjust the one down there, your offset X a little bit and your offset Y a little bit, so that it can be that it's sitting on the Coca-Cola. Click on OK, and then inner shadow, click on inner shadow. Yes, the reason for it is so that we can have the same thing we have outside there. Don't let it be much. In fact, let it be almost the same color as the first one. Yes, not fully black too. And then yeah, after we are done with that, the next thing we want to do, okay, is to bring in our last test. Some certain things are down there, but I won't want to waste our time. I will have designed them one after the other, but let's not waste our time. I will just import it. Yeah. So these are things that are designed one after the other. So, but it doesn't actually need you to design one after another. It doesn't actually need to design one after another. So I think this is too big. Let's pin them together. I know you know this process. I've done it before. Click on this to merge it. So when you merge it, you click on OK. It will automatically merge. You can see now it will automatically merge it together. Let's reduce it. I want it to be reduced. It's too reduced. Let's increase it a little bit. All right, bring it down. Your Coca-Cola, bring it down. Your Coca-Cola. Yep, and so that we can bring this up. So the last thing we want to do, the design is already done, but the last thing we want to do, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Once again, click on like and drop any emoji or the comment section. Apart from that, one more thing, that just put efficacy. Efficacy a little bit is just the fact that, okay, let me import what I use. Okay, there's not here. Okay, it's Pinterest. Yep, it should be here. Yep. Where are you? 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 Should be here now. Okay, here. So I use this. Majority of people use this in church, in date. If you want to write date, venue, this and that, or names. So the same process. Erase color, erase the background fully, and then click on OK. Come to color. Yes, color here. Click on color and change it to white. Change it to white. Yes, it will give you something like this. So just adjust it to any taste of yours. Copy it. You can see copy here. Yeah. And let it fit into anywhere you want it to fit into, as your taste will have it. And that is it for this video class on Coke. You can see it's very simple, and then it's something you can achieve with just a little bit of creativity. And that is it for this video. So consider subscribing once again, and if you are doing this in my class, you should know that I do that with strict effectiveness, and because I want you to grow. So submit at the appropriate time, and see you in the next video.